So make sure you're clicking save. All right. Once you're done with your working copy, you have to publish and share it as a real video file. This is just an Adobe file. No one else can view this file except you. So to get it to be a real video file, you click publish and share. We want to go down to computer. Now, see these three selections? We want to select AVCHD. Next, under the presets menu, the MP4 choices, these sort of more high def are the best. Any of these first three work really well. So it doesn't really matter which one of those you choose. Now you're going to name it something so you'll recognize it, and you just want to make sure you know where it's saved. Mine is saving to my desktop, but a lot of yours will save to your documents folder. If you want to save it somewhere else, then you need to browse to where you want to save it. If it's going in the shared drive, this is how you get it to the shared drive. You look for computer science, and we're looking for 8th grade, maybe 8th grade computers probably. Just depends on where you're saving it. All right, I'm going to go back and save it on my desktop so that I can find it. All right, so you just want to know where it is so you can find it. Once all that's done, you just click save, and your video will take several minutes to render.